Hopefully everybody's having a nice Monday evening here. This is my first time doing this, so thanks for bearing with me. Testing this out.
All right,
We got the sound, which is good. I'm meteorologist James Gilbert. I know that Eric usually does these, but I'm filling in, and so I'm coming in and doing a little bit of a forecast here on this Monday. It was a breezy one. Rochester Airport, 59-mile-per-hour wind gust, an impressive wind gust to say the least. Chilai, 57-mile-per-hour wind gust. Bristol, 49. Newark, 42. Warsaw, 54-mile-per-hour wind gust. Those have calmed down significantly, down to 23-mile-per-hour wind gusts. But snow showers are expected overnight and into tomorrow. We've got a winter weather advisory for Wayne County, as we expect there to be a lake effect snow band to move through tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. So here's your futurecast here. We are seeing very light snow showers around the area right now. I think those ramp up as we get to about midnight or so. And temperatures drop. Look at this. We'll be well into the 20s here, as you can see on your futurecast. And then by tomorrow morning, we could see a pretty decent lake effect snow band sitting over Wayne County. This is 6:30 in the morning tomorrow morning. So if you do have to head over to the industrial park in the region along 104, and once you start running into some of those lights, especially east of Webster, there could be some snow bands out there. There could be some snow showers, again, especially north of 104, closer to Sodus, and once you get into Williamson, Pulteneyville, those regions could deal with those snow showers. That band could drop a quick couple of inches, and then eventually meander southward by lunchtime. And there you go. There's your snowfall forecast. I expect to trace to a couple of inches for south of Rochester, across the Finger Lakes. Could Henrietta see a 2.5-inch snowfall total? It's unlikely. That's why I don't have them included here. But, if they get lucky or unlucky, however you want to look at it, they could deal with a quick burst of snow there. So here's a couple of lists of towns of who was more on the lower end, the shovel end, Rondequoit, Livonia, Penn Yan, Batavia. And then who's on the higher end? Williamson, Rose, Lyons, Ontario, Webster. Those areas could see a little bit on the higher end, closer to that 4-inch range for tomorrow. But otherwise, look at this almanac here. Kind of interesting to see how much warmer we were. Overnight low, 15 degrees warmer than we were, than we normally should be for the 28th of December. Amazing to see that number, 35. That's how warm in the afternoon high we were supposed to be. Temperatures right now, they're dropping. We're in the lower 30s. Expect everybody to get below freezing over the next 24 hours. We'll bottom out in the mid-20s, which is really still above average. But the afternoon highs, that's below average when we stay in the 20s. So cold air, cold snow showers. Yes, snow showers are cold. And then things taper off. Wednesday's quiet. Thursday, also quiet. New Year's Day, though, could be a pretty big storm system that moves through the region. Maybe a wet start to New Year's Day, and I say wet because we've got warm air. The models are showing a very mild pattern to finish the year and start off next year. Here's Futurecast American model. Note the bottom of your screen shows a large storm system that's going to push through the Great Lakes. That happens as we get into very late Thursday and early Friday. I expect maybe a flake or a bit of ice at onset, but rain showers take over quickly through Friday, and a soaker of a day, I think, at least afternoon and evening. Now, timing is tough with these because you never really know if they're going to slow down, if they're going to speed up. But as of right now, it looks like Friday night and into Saturday. So technically the New Year's Day night, right, into Saturday. We'll have to keep an eye on. News 8-day forecast, so we'll keep an eye on that storm system, and then it stays mild. I really don't see any significant storm chances for the weekend or really into the beginning of next week. So kind of a lame winter so far, right? December finishing below average. I think January, at least for the first half, looks warmer than average as well. So, all right, I'm going to end this forecast here. I appreciate you guys joining me. We're going to do this again tomorrow at 6:45. Still learning the ropes here on how to do this, but of course, if you are catching me here now, you can catch me on Facebook as well tonight at 9:30, which hits right around the halftime of the Bills game, a little bit before, but hey, why not? If you want to tune in, you can check that out. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and have a good night.